In the year of 2011, I was diagnosed with stage 4 type 2A breast cancer as a result of 18 weeks of chemo and 5 days of radiation. I lost all of my hair. After the treatment, I began doing research because I knew what I wanted my hair to look like as it began to grow back. I wanted healthy and thick hair. So in 2016, a dear friend of mine posted NouriTress products on his Facebook page. I was able to obtain the telephone number to the salon. I scheduled a scalp analysis. I came in and had my scalp done. Ms. DeShawn came in, shared with me information that I needed to know about my scalp and products that I needed to use in order for my hair to grow back in the manner in which I was expecting for it to. So as a result, I began using the follicle therapy, the protein conditioner, the shampoo, the hair supplement pills, as well as the edge repair. And miraculously for me, within a month's time, my hair began to grow. I began to feel like I was beautiful all over again. And I began to really feel really good about myself. I look at this experience as a life-altering experience for me. So I describe my journey as a beautiful journey. And if it had not been for the NouriTress products, meeting DeShawn, Tyrone, Dr. Hill, I would not be sitting here today with a healthy head of hair. And so I'm abundantly grateful to DeShawn, her staff, Dr. Hill, and all who have been so encouraging, and my friend who posted the line of the NouriTress products on his Facebook page that gave me hope to really feel like I could eventually get the healthy hair that I was really looking for. She gave me life, and I thank